Hello, my name is Ana Macias. I'm majoring in civil engineering, and today I'm going to talk to you about a concept called plastic roads. This concept is not as common as people might think, not even inside my specific field. Plastic roads are an innovation of normal roads and the material used on them. Let me explain you first the necessity of this concept. Right now and in the inevitable future, petroleum will run out. It is already running out. And one of the most important uses of this material and its derivatives is the creation of roads with asphalt. That is the last one of the petroleum derivatives. Because petroleum is running out, people have found new and creative ways not to use as much or at all in these constructions. From here, the idea of plastic roads started to make so much more sense. Plastic roads are formed based on recyclable plastic, asphalt, and stone or other aggregates to complete the mix. Normally, this plastic comes from the oceans and goes to some specific processes to make it better and stronger, but there are people who keep developing new variations that uses other types of plastic. For example, the one from a plastic bottle of water. Because it is made of plastic, it can be damaged in the same way. Because they are made to last a longer time. And when it does get damaged, it becomes way easier to repair. So, to put this on the road, they create sheets of plastic, of these plastic roads, and they put one beside the other. So when ones get damaged, the only thing they have to do is pull that part out and replace it with a new one. So these structures will ensure things like leakage on a highway. And it also helps when the rain is really heavy and it damaged the normal roads of asphalt. It it it's a way better condition, but it also get in the way of many money related scenarios of the constructions that are already placed. With this project, the road quality will be better because plastic is better than other normal aggregates, and it also passes all the compression tests that has to be done for this for constructions. But the most important utility of this project is the reduction of the harm to the environment and the uses of fossil fuels.